Hi guys, welcome back to Prince Programming World. So today I'm teaching you guys how to code a simple maze game in Scratch. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel to help me, and also I'm gonna try my best to subscribe to your YouTube channel. So that means you'll be expecting Prince Programming World as one of your subscribers. Thank you. So let's dive straight into the programming. First, we need to make the maze or the diagram. Actually, you can make that as a backdrop or as a sprite. So I prefer making mine as a sprite, so you can just easily manipulate the codes. So come here. So actually this is mine. You can just copy mine, or you do yours yourself, or just go to the internet, you browse different diagram or different maze diagram and do yours and design them there. So just delete this. So actually we need an object which will move around the maze. So we just come here, choose a sprite, we choose the cheek. So think reducing it to something like probably 60 is gonna be better. So yeah, 60 is good. So we just come here, I think we name this maze. Yeah, I think. So now we want this cheek to always point at the angle 90 direction when flag clicked, and go to this specify position. So say when flag clicked, go to this current position and point in direction 90 degrees. So now we want it to move right. We want it to move right whenever the key right arrow is being pressed, and left whenever the key left arrow is being pressed, and also up and down for the up and down arrow key. So say forever if key right arrow is being pressed, we want it to move. Probably we say 4 steps. Yeah, 4 steps, and also point in angle 90 direction. So we duplicate this for the left arrow key, then come here, choose the left arrow, then make this a minus 90. Then we just duplicate this for the up, and we'll do similar thing there, but we just say this should be change y by 4. Duplicate this for the down arrow key and say change down arrow key. So say change y by -4. So let's check if this works actually. So this works perfectly, except for the left, except when you press the left arrow key, it just turn upside down. So you can just simply fix that by just clicking this, and this works perfectly, like good. So now we have a problem. Our cheek is able to go between the lines, which is against the row of the maze. So to fix that, you can just say when flag clicked, this should run forever if key right arrow press. Just duplicate that, if key right arrow press, and so we need the and. So say if key right arrow press and it's touching the maze, we want it to counterbalance the movement. So just say if key right arrow press and touching maze, it should just do the opposite, which is actually this. So it should do the opposite. I think we'll just make this 5, so it's kind of like bounces instead of just counterbalancing the force or like the movement. So duplicate that for the left arrow key. Then make this 90. Then we also duplicate this and do similar thing for the up arrow key. So come here, we duplicate this, we say -5, say -5. Then we duplicate this for the down arrow key, and say +5. So let's see if this works. So actually this works well, and yeah, it's good. So now we need like the end, like the final place where if it touches there, it's gonna broadcast a message like game over, and it's gonna switch the whole screen to game over. So now we come here, we just create a new sprite, we call it end, just call it end. So come here, we just make this black, increase this a little bit, center this, and just give it some kind of like, so we can just make this green due to greens like sign or symbol for success, stuff like that. So we'll just send this to the back, then center this also, giving it an outline of 1. I think this is good. So we want this to stay here. Yeah, there's the end. So we say when flag clicked, it should just come to this position. I think I'm just gonna zoom this a bit. When flag clicked, go to this position. Then we want this condition that if this cheek touches this end, it will broadcast a message. So we can just do that by using the if statement. So if touching sprite 1, so if touching sprite 1, which is actually the end, it should broadcast. Should we use the broadcast message one? No, I think we'll just quiz ours, which is game over. And when it broadcasts game over, it should just hide itself and also show up when flag has been clicked. So we also do that here. We bring out the hide and show. So when flag clicked, it should show, and when I receive message 1, hide. So we also do that here. When flag clicked, okay, we already have that here. So we'll say when I receive game over. So when flag clicked, show. When I receive game over, hide. So now we need to design another like costume which says game over. So we come here, we just give it the text game over. We make this black, increase the size. Yeah, I think this is good. So this is a costume too. So we come here and say when flag clicked, instead of putting show now, just come here and say switch costume to costume 1, and when I receive game over, switch costume to costume 2. So let's see if this works. So please please like the video, and also don't forget to comment in the comment section, please.